Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade coleslaw. It's very easy and simple, and let's just get right into it. So to begin, you will take a head of cabbage. I'm using a half a head of cabbage to be able to cut it in very small pieces and to make sure that it's finely chopped. Once I'm done chopping the head of cabbage, I am going to transfer it into a container, and I am going to continue cutting the other vegetables that I will use with it. This time I'm taking half of an onion, and I will cut it in two, and I will start finely chopping it too. And because when I eat the cabbage, I like to taste the onion, but not very strongly. So I'm cutting it in small pieces. And once I'm done cutting it, I will also set it aside and add it to the cabbage. And after adding it to the cabbage, I am going now to take my carrots. I have peeled and rinsed my carrots, and I'm going to peel them off and mince it. Make sure that they're very minced. And once it's done, I will now start cutting also the carrots in small pieces because I don't want chunks of carrots in there. I want very small pieces and have a very nice taste to it. And after I'm done adding the carrots, I'm now going to start making the mixture that will go with the coleslaw. So the sauce that goes with it and give it a nice taste. And I'm adding salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar also to balance the taste. I'm also adding lemon juice. So the lemon juice will give it a very type like a tingy taste, and it gives it a very good taste once you eat it. Once I mix it all together, I would now pour it into my vegetables and I will start mixing it. So it's very simple. The information for this recipe will be found in the description box down below. And now, as you can see, I'm continuing to mix my coleslaw, and it's very simple. You will get to enjoy it, and it's a great side dish. So you can eat it with fried chicken or whatever food you would like to accompany with it. It works. I like to serve my coleslaw with fried chicken. It's a very good combination, and you get to enjoy it. So thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a video, and don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.